Let's get started with XSS.
What is XSS? How does XSS work? Preventing XSS attacks. Detecting XSS attacks. Responding to XSS attacks. Conclusion. What is XSS? Cross-site scripting, XSS, is a type of computer security vulnerability typically found in web applications. It allows attackers to inject malicious code into web pages viewed by other users. XSS enables attackers to bypass access controls such as the same origin policy, which is designed to prevent different websites from interfering with each other. How does XSS work? XSS attacks occur when an attacker uses a web application to send malicious code to a different end user. The code is usually written in JavaScript, and can be used to access any sensitive information stored in the browser. The malicious code can also be used to redirect the user to a malicious website, or to create a phishing attack. Preventing XSS attacks. The best way to protect against XSS attacks is to use a web application firewall, WAF, to filter out malicious code before it reaches the user. Additionally, developers should use data sanitization techniques to ensure that user-submitted data is properly validated before being stored or displayed. It is also important to keep web applications up to date with the latest security patches, as well as to use secure coding practices to ensure that the application is not vulnerable to attack. Detecting XSS attacks. There are several tools available to help detect XSS attacks, such as web application firewalls, WAFs, and intrusion detection systems, IDS. Additionally, developers should use static code analysis tools to detect potential vulnerabilities in their code. It is also important to monitor web application logs for suspicious activity, as well as to use automated vulnerability scanners to detect any potential security issues. Responding to XSS attacks. Once an XSS attack has been detected, it is important to take immediate action to contain the attack and prevent further damage. This may include disabling the affected web application, and restoring the application from a secure backup. Additionally, it is important to investigate the attack to determine the root cause, and to take steps to ensure that the application is not vulnerable to similar attacks in the future. Conclusion. XSS attacks are a serious threat to web applications, and can be used to steal sensitive data or redirect users to malicious websites. It is important to use secure coding practices and tools to detect and prevent XSS attacks. Additionally, it is important to respond quickly and effectively to any detected XSS attacks, in order to minimize the damage and ensure that the application is not vulnerable to similar attacks in the future.